Another fine vehicle offered by Russ Darrow Kia Chrysler Jeep Dodge Madison.
This is a 2007 GMC Acadia, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated seats, heater vents for rear seat passengers, leather seats, cruise control, and steering wheel mounted controls, a premium audio system, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. This GMC has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Get the Darrow difference today, only at Russ Darrow Kia Chrysler Jeep Dodge Madison.